Chapter 9 Amlam Drakshafalam. The grapes are sure. Hello students.
Hello, teacher.
Students, do you like to sing a poem?
Yes, teacher. We like to sing poem.
Very good. Students, today I am going to tell you a poem about fox in Sanskrit language. Please listen it carefully. The poem is Amlam Drakshafalam. The grapes are sure.
एकः शृगालः वनं गच्छति सः वनं गच्छति सः वनं गच्छति पिपासा तस्य पिपासया बुभुक्षया वनं गच्छति सः वनं गच्छति सः किञ्च करोति सः किञ्च करोति वामतः पश्यति दक्षिणतः पश्यति अग्रतः पश्यति पृष्ठतः पश्यति वामतः पश्यति दक्षिणतः पश्यति अग्रतः पश्यति पृष्ठतः पश्यति स्वेदः जायते तृषा जायते स्वेदः जायते तृषा जायते इतः गच्छति किमपि न लभते ततः गच्छति किमपि न लभते इतः गच्छति किमपि न लभते ततः गच्छति किमपि न लभते शान्तः जायते खिन्नः जायते शान्तः जायते खिन्नः जायते किञ्च पश्यति सः किञ्च पश्यति किञ्च पश्यति सः किञ्च पश्यति पश्यति द्राक्षालता सः पश्यति द्राक्षालता पश्यति द्राक्षालता सः पश्यति द्राक्षालता उपरि उपरि लतासु दृश्यते च तत्फलम् उपरि लतासु दृश्यते च तत्फलम् अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रसः जायते अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रसः जायते किञ्च करोति सः किञ्च करोति किञ्च करोति सः किञ्च करोति एकवारम् उत्पतति द्विवारम् उत्पतति त्रिवारम् उत्पतति पुनः पुनः उत्पतति एकवारम् उत्पतति द्विवारम् उत्पतति त्रिवारम् उत्पतति पुनः पुनः उत्पतति स्वेदः जायते श्रमः जायते स्वेदः जायते श्रमः जायते किञ्च कथयति सः किञ्च कथयति किञ्च कथयति सः किञ्च कथयति लभते न द्राक्षालता आम्लं द्राक्षाफलम् लभते न द्राक्षालता आम्लं द्राक्षाफलम् इत्येवं कथयति सः पलायते इत्येवं कथयति सः पलायते इत्येवं कथयति सः पलायते
Students, are you having fun listening to Fox poem in Sanskrit language?
Yes, teacher.
Let us translate and understand the Sanskrit poem of Fox in English language. Poetry line 1. Ekah Shrugalah. Ekah Shrugalah vanam gacchati. Sah vanam gacchati. Pipasa tasya bubuksha. Pipasaya bubukshaya vanam gacchati. Sah vanam gacchati. There is a fox. The fox goes to the forest. He is thirsty and hungry. He goes to the forest because he is hungry and thirsty. He goes to the forest. Poetry line 2. Kim cha karoti, sah kim cha karoti. Vamatah pashyati, dakshinatah pashyati. Agratah pashyati, prushtatah pashyati. Svedah jayate, trusha jayate. And what does he do? What does he do? He looks at left, he looks at right. He looks before, he looks behind. He sweats, he gets thirsty. Poetry line 3. Itah gacchati, kimapi na labhate. Tatah gacchati, kimapi na labhate. Shrantah jayate, khinnah jayate. He goes here, he does not get anything. He goes there, he does not get anything. He gets tired, he becomes sad. Poetry line 4. Kim cha pashyati, sah kim cha pashyati. Pashyati drakshalatam, sah pashyati drakshalatam. Upri upri latasu, drashate cha tat phalam. And what does he see? What does he see? He sees a creeper of grapes. He sees grapes. He sees fruits on and on creepers. Poetry line 5. Anukshanam tanmukhe rasah jayate. Kim cha karoti, sah kim cha karoti. Ekvaram utpatati, dvivaram utpatati, trivaram utpatati. Punah punah utpatati. Svedah jayate, shramah jayate, labhate na drakshalatam. The next moment his mouth waters. And what does he do? What does he do? He jumps once, twice, thrice. He jumps again and again. He sweats. He gets tired. He does not get grapes. Poetry line 6. Kim cha kathayati, sah kim cha kathayati. Amlam drakshaphalam. Itvevam kathayati, sah palayate. Itvevam kathayati, sah palayate. And what does he say? What does he say? He says, the grapes are sure. And he runs away. He says in this way and runs away. A fox is suffering from hunger and thirst in a forest. He sees a creeper of grapes. His mouth waters. He jumps to take the grapes. But he could not reach up to the bunch of grapes. He jumps often and gets tired. At last he says, the grapes are sure. And he runs away. Students, did you understand poem about fox?
Yes, teacher.
Nice, students. If you know of any other fox stories, share them with